Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the slide-out freezer shelf in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new slide-out freezer shelf. This shelf is located in the middle of the freezer section. The main reason to replace this slide-out freezer shelf is if it's corroded, always missing. To get it apart, we need to open the freezer door. Now we're going to remove this slide-out freezer shelf by, guess what, sliding it out. Then I'm going to lift it up, and now we can remove it completely. All right, so we're here on the table, and I'm going to turn it over, and now we need to remove this trim. All right, so these two pins work like a locks. Technically, when you lift it up and push it out, the trim gonna slide out. This is the old slide-out freezer shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, so this is our new shelf. We're going to use the old trim. Slide it on. And now we're going to install it. To install the new shelf, we're going to place it right there where these two hooks on the sides are in front of the rails, and I'm going to slide it in. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.